How to add money to Gohenry account. First, open the Gohenry app. If this is your first time using the app, it will ask you to identify yourself, whether you are a parent or a child. Then, log into your Gohenry app, enter your email address and mobile number, create a password, click continue to proceed to the next step. If you are a parent, enter your child's details, including their name and date of birth. If you have another child, you can add their details by tapping Add Child. Once all child information is entered, tap Continue. Again, tap Continue. Type the amount of money you want to load. Link your payment method by entering your card number and cardholder number. Click Continue. You will see total cost including the membership fee, which is free for the first month, and then $3.99 per child per month. After setting up your bank information, you can log your child into their account. Click Add Money to deposit funds. You have two options for adding money. If you want to add money using a bank account, tap Add Money with Bank. Then choose your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete transaction. Thanks for watching.